Hi, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel Coin Market Hub. Dear fans, today in this video we are discussing about Happy Blonde Doge. So in this video I will explain each and everything related to this amazing project, that how can you grab this opportunity and you can also participate and earn a lot of profit. So don't skip any part of this video. So before going to start further review, I would request, if you are new on my YouTube channel Coin Market Hub, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification of all upcoming videos notifications. So let's start the review now. So welcome to Happy Blonde Doge. Dear fans, Happy Blonde Doge is a hybrid game combining memes and tap to earn mechanics. User can earn points and exchange them for HBD token. Defense for HBD, a tab user can mine through the Happy Blonde Doge tab mini app and earn significant reward. View the game and get rich with Happy Blonde Doge and click develop, invite friends and earn Happy Blonde Doge coins. And here you can also check out the project progress and learn more information and unique referral program, and you can also get 5x more for premium referral, and referral will also receive reward and on level 1 is unlocked, and on the level 5 of the referral reward you can also enjoy the benefit of referral system, which include 5 level as well. Here is, you can also check, it has low fees, security and control over money and high transaction speed. And defense, Happy Blonde Doge is a crypto game that will distribute a significant portion of token to the community when listed, which emphasize that the value you and your time as well. Here you can also check out the token distributions, like that 80% for funding allocations, and you can also check out 5% for here on the funding allocations and much more detail. Here you can also check out all detail: 10% for development, 5% for promotion, 5% for contingency and more. There you have to check out the sample is HBD and initial value is 1 HBD is equal to around $70, and you can also check out type, and you can also learn about its roadmap, that how the things are going on. You can also check out the frequently asked question and check out answer. If you have any other question, you can make comments, and if you want to be get in touch, then you need to enter your name, email and type your message and send message and check out more detail as well. If we discuss about its price surge and defense, then we need to go to on the Maxi Global Exchange. So dear fans, after listing at $0.04 on Maxi Global Exchange, one of the world's top tier exchange, HBD saw a remarkable surge of reaching $70 over 1,075,000% increase, and this continuous price increase has generated sustainable momentum, drawing significant attention from user and investor alike. Dear fans, this is the best crypto exchange, trusted and reliable, where you can also trade, you can also buy and sell HBD token with USDT pair, and you can also check out all information related to this amazing project on the Maxi Global Exchange as well. And dear fans, if you come on its official Twitter account, here you can also check out that recently 200 million HBT token were burned as part of the first burn, and according to the team's official Twitter, additional burns may follow, and this could potentially lead to a continued price increase and has a trading pair on Maxi. The question is that why Maxi Global Exchange? So defense, if you come on the Coin Market Cap and we check out top cryptocurrency spot exchanges and rank among to top 10 exchange on Coin Market Cap with a 24-hour trading volume surpassing OKX, Coinbase and Bybit, over 30 million users worldwide, providing deep liquidity across a broad user base and industry-leading low no fees, 0% maker and 0.05% taker for spot trading. And dear friends, you can also find out Maxi Global Exchange in top tier exchange as well, and you can also check out their trading volumes on 24 hours and more detail later to this project. And dear fans, it is supported 2200 plus listed token and 3000 plus trading pairs, making it ideal for discovering and trading new coins. So that's why Maxi Global Exchange is best for HBD token, and now you can also trade and buy on Maxi Global Exchange. And you can also check out more information related to Happy Blonde Doge on their X account and learn more detail. And I also recommended to all of you must be join its Telegram community to get latest news and updates related to this amazing project, and this is the best opportunity to grab it right now. And you can also join its Telegram and Twitter to get latest news and updates. And you can also grab this opportunity and participate and buy Happy Blonde Doge right now, because it have a massive potential inside and it is listed on the top tier exchange Maxi Global as well. I hope you like this video. Share with friends. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.